No, I really just kidding. No. No. This thing sucks.
What is going on, everyone? Ratchet is back for another video, and behind us here we got our project car, a 1991 NA Miata build. We did the cheapest eBay turbo build you could possibly do on the internet, so we're super psyched. We got it registered, insured, we got plates, all that good stuff. So today we're finally going to bring it out, take it on the real roads, and have some fun with it.
Yeah, do like our first impressions and stuff like that. So if you guys are new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Please be sure to check out all the other videos of this car. We pretty much have tutorials and engine pulls and all that good stuff, so definitely check that out. And the tune is not perfect, so you'll probably hear a little bit of a misfire, just a little bit, but we're in the works of setting it up with a dyno tuner, so stay tuned for that as well. But without further ado, let's get this thing on the road.
Cowboy. Adrenaline rush. Oh my god. Coming left right here.
Holy
wow,
shit.
That thing whistles. Woo. I couldn't even, I was just holding my seatbelt.
That is totally my bad, I didn't know.
This kid just got pedal happy.
Oh,
okay.
I have to put it in gear because the e-brakes don't work and we're on a pretty steep incline.
Quite the incline.
First impressions, sorry I look like a goof. Probably only put maybe 20 miles on this thing.
Yeah.
Not even, with the new headers, the new gaskets, the new piping, everything, all that stuff's gonna burn off. So we're still trying to tune it ourselves. We're having a really tough time doing it, but
yeah, not easy.
Yeah, so we're probably just gonna take it to a dyno tuner. There's a lot that goes into it. I thought it was gonna be easier than expected.
I'm gonna find the seatbelt holster.
Yeah.
Sounds so good.
Yeah, it really does.
And it's not even tuned yet. I feel like I gotta scream extra loud. Okay. It's gonna send a little too hard, bud. This thing is outrageous. Zach's probably cracking up. Gas to just do some hoonigan shit. Yeah. We have made it to the park. This brings a smile to your face, guys.
So loud, bro.
Really only when you get on it. Okay.
Whatever gear this is, it builds up the most pressure.
Third? Probably third gear. And that's the Miata, boys and girls.
This thing runs like shit.
Sounds like GTA, it's just like someone died.
So as you can see, we somehow made it to this park alive. This thing still runs. It's running not the best at all. It's not building up boost pressure in certain gears, which I'm not too happy about, but third, obviously, you're gonna have a little more boost pressure, but second, you should still build up some, and it was like almost limp, it felt like. So we gotta work out some issues with the tuning, but overall, we checked for leaks, you know, we're just going over everything and making sure our jobs, everything was done correctly, because we don't want this thing falling apart on the street, because we don't want to hurt, endanger anyone or anything like that. But yeah, she's running, so now we're gonna do some ratchet shit, but stay tuned. What do you guys think so far? If you guys have been following the channel and the build, let us know down below. But if you guys are new to the channel, let us know as well what you think and what you want to see, because we have big plans for this. We're probably not going to do like a show car or make it really cosmetically pleasing, but we're just gonna ratchet, do it the ratchet way. It screams turbo. Turbo flutter, there is nothing better than that sound ever. We're getting a lot of dirty looks out here though, so we're probably gonna get out of here pretty quick, but this thing is amazing. It's so satisfying seeing a project car go down the road after months. Unfortunately, the DMVs were closed here in Jersey, so we didn't have much time to get it registered and insured, but here we go.
Guys, this is my first time and Austin's first time on the actual road. I mean, this isn't a main road, we're just at the park, but we did take it down the main road, and man, this thing is such a blast. It's building up a little bit of boost. We do need a tuner like Austin was saying, but for now, just such a fun overall car. So we're just getting some nice cinematic shots right now. The sun's setting, so we'll probably do a little photo shoot. Now Austin's driving. Send it, bud. It's such like an obnoxious but dinky little car, which makes it hysterical. So we're just so happy to have it on the road, and once we get it tuned, that's the big thing, because we'll actually have proper boost build up and all that good stuff, so we can actually push some serious power. Right now it's lagging quite a bit, misfiring, so it's got the base tune on it, so that's to be expected.
That video of us revealing how much we put into this car and how much we bought it for and everything, click up above right now. That sounds so good.
It does.
Letting off that gas.
Is this the first gas up?
This is the first fill up right here.
All right, so how was it getting gas the first time?
Not bad. Easy peasy. You know, $10 gives it a little over a quarter, so we're chilling. To budget, everything about it to budget. Even gas.
Bro, $10 gives me like half a tank.
Yeah, $10. And my GTI doesn't give me much at all.
Oh, I bet. Don't you run, what, 89 in that?
93.
Oh, you run full 93. Oh, well, you got that thing all stage 2.
Yeah. Now with the tune and everything.
Yeah. Like I've been saying, dude, exhaust is right there when you want.
I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting it to be that loud. Oh wow, that's hot right there. All the way up.
Woo! Dude, driving with the top down in the winter, get you some warm hands. Good to go.
I gotta forget, I'm going fast. Yeah. I think the speedometer's off too.
It looks like it, yeah.
I mean, it's like all over the place.
Dude, it's like
it's really bad.
That shit looks more like PSI than MPH, dude.
No, not really, just kidding. No. No. This thing sucks.
We're good.
The tune, man. I'm blaming it on the tune.
Yeah, dude. Who's that asshole to tune this thing, right?
Yeah, I got a bass tune, alright? Yeah. I did that much. Temps are good though. I was worried about the coolant temp, especially on a hot day and really ripping it.
Yeah.
But no, we're good.
Yeah, she seems to be doing just fine.
That lady was not having it. She like stared at me.
Yep.
There's Karens everywhere. What are you gonna do about it?
Leave them in the dust.
Exactly.
Pretty sure I heard you from the gas station.
Probably, dude. That lady was not having it.
Well, you know, definitely a kink or two to work out, but she's moving down the road just fine. Yeah. What do you guys think? Grade 1 to 10. What do you got on it?
7.
7?
It's not done yet. Maybe one day it will be a 10.
That's not bad
In
though.
performance,
7?
not a looker. The rust and everything. So, I mean, overall, I'm pretty pleased with it.
I'll tell you my opinion. I'll give it like a 7.6. I heard that thing literally like a mile down at the gas station, whistling down the street.
So like Austin was saying in the car, if we do a little bit less gargle, a little more snap, crackle, pop,
it's
then
gargling.
It's gargling.
So then we'll be chilling.
Oh yeah, that will be good.
Snap, crackle, pop is what we like to
Let's
hear.
get this footage and get out of here, because
Yeah, we're causing a ruckus.
yeah.
All right, guys, we just got back. It was getting really dark out, and it's still like 90% humidity, so we're drenched. But that was pretty much our first impressions of the car. It runs, you know, like it
So
should for a base tune, but yeah, it's getting there.
That's like our first impressions on the main roads. Obviously, if you've been following along, we've been taking up and down the neighborhood, but not really ripping on it. So we probably got up to maybe 60, 70 miles per hour. The speedometer is definitely all over the place. Zach filmed earlier, but yeah, so we hope you guys enjoyed this content. Let us know what you guys want to see down below. If you want to see races, you know, ratchet burnouts. We were going to originally do some burnouts today, but it's a little finicky right now. Yeah. And we got a little brake fluid leak, so we don't want to lose those brakes and, you know, get stranded and maybe crash into something. So
yeah. But once we get the tune dialed in and like fine tune everything else, and we keep driving it on the road, like we'll bring much better videos. This was just like first impressions, and it got dark unfortunately. But
yeah. So. Until next time, Ratchet Wrenches is out. Peace.